Hi, this is Eric Johnson, nurse practitioner at the Wright Medical Center. Coming to you today just to talk a little bit about some skin cancer. Maybe a few things that you don't know, maybe some things that you do know. There are three basic kinds of skin cancer. Basal cell carcinomas and squamous cells are the most common, and those are the ones that are caused by sun exposure. Melanoma, which is the one that is the most deadly, is primarily genetic, and we'll talk about that in a moment. A very interesting study was done about 10 years ago showing that if we can keep children from getting sunburned before the age of 18, we can eliminate 88% of the non-melanoma skin cancers that come back to haunt us as adults. Melanoma, which as I said is primarily genetic, is at highest risk for patients from Northern European descent, people with red hair, blue eyes, green eyes. And interestingly enough, most of the melanoma cancers show up on non-sun exposed areas. So if you think they're at high risk, there's an exciting event coming up on February 25th. It's the Gary Wright Memorial Skin Cancer Clinic. It's being sponsored by Gary Wright's family as well as the Wright Medical Center. It'll be from 9 to noon at the AHA School. This event is free, and skin examinations will be being performed by Doctors Heather and Scott Wickless from Durango Dermatology. This is a great opportunity to get an annual skin exam, which is something that people should be doing on a yearly basis. Here at altitude, we're at particularly high risk because one, we're just physically closer to the sun, and there's more ultraviolet that can cause problems with the skin. And particularly in the winter time, people don't seem to think about it as much because it's cool. But actually our sun exposure is greater because those ultraviolet rays will bounce up off the snow and cause more sun damage than they would even in on a summer day. So it's very important before you go out to make sure that you're applying a sunscreen and lip balm with an SPF factor of greater than 30. You want to put that on 20 minutes before you go out and reapply several times throughout the day. Also wearing hats with brims. And in the summertime, you want to stay inside, out of the sun as much as possible from the hours of 10 to 2. And if you're going to be out, long sleeve shirts, sunscreen as we said before, and keep covered up so you can avoid sun damage down the road. Wright Medical Center is very pleased to be co-sponsoring this event with the Gary Wright family, and we hope to see you there. Again, it's on February 25th from 9 to noon at the AHA School, and it is free. And always remember the Wright Medical Center is taking new patients all the time. Thank you.